Essential oils don't just minimize wrinkles, they can also boost collagen, even out your skin tone, reduce inflammation, promote skin cell turnover, and protect your skin from environmental damage. I love using essential oils on my skin every day, and using them has made a big difference in the texture and tone of my skin on my face. There's so many oils that are good for complexion that you'll never run out of options to mix and match and be supported by all the different actions of all the different constituents in the essential oils. Using oils is like going to the gym. You wouldn't do the same routine every day of your life. It's good to keep your body guessing. So by working different muscle groups every day, but because this can take weeks for the effects of a workout to show on your body, so it is the same for your skin. You can use the same oils for several weeks before mixing it up. Today I want to talk about the 5 best oils that contain antioxidants. Antioxidants have an effect on neutralizing damage caused by free radicals. Free radical damage can be caused by the products we put on our skin, like moisturizers or sunscreens if they're not mineral based, or it can be as a result of air pollution or smoke. So what are these 5 oils that contain antioxidants that are going to be your skin's new best friends? First, rosemary. Rosemary is also known to limit microbial activity. In fact, a 2014 study noticed significant results of improved complexion within 7 days of using rosemary essential oil on the face. Rosemary oil may also help benefit your skin by increasing circulation and reducing overall inflammation. That's why it's good for your hair too. Number 2 is lemon. According to a 2017 study, lemon essential oil has both antioxidant properties to limit microbe activity, which is just like rosemary. However, take care not to expose your skin to the sun after applying lemon or any other citrus essential oil, as these oils are photosensitive and your skin will burn quickly. Thirdly, Clary sage, which is a cousin of traditional sage. According to a 2016 study, Clary sage has antioxidant properties that can help prevent DNA and protein damage, and this may translate to anti-aging benefits when used on the skin. Clary sage also has the effect of limiting microbe activity, which is great when you don't want to exacerbate a skin condition, especially in teenagers. Number 4, how could we talk about essential oils without mentioning the rose, damask rose? In addition to antioxidants and limiting microbial activity, it may also be especially helpful in helping the skin cell turnover and renewal process, which is important in preventing dull-looking skin. Rose oil can also help reduce inflammation, and so that helps with redness and stress in your skin. But real rose oil is very expensive, so you need to check whether your rose oil has transparent testing results to show that it is not adulterated or synthetic. Finally, number 5, sandalwood oil. This has long been known to reduce inflammation and has been used as such to treat skin diseases. It also has moisturizing properties due to naturally occurring emollients. Now, emollients are the moisturizers which help keep the water in your skin. Sandalwood's astringent effects can also promote skin cell turnover, which helps keep the skin free of dead skin cell buildup. I have a half-hour video on glowing skin tips that talk more about the different skin types and how the constituents in the different essential oils can help with your skin. When you know which skin oils can help you, you may also want to take into account the emotional effects of the oils that you use, since using essential oils on your face will have an effect on the brain because the brain is so close to the area that you're using your oils on. To that end, make sure that the oils you use are pure and tested grade, and ensure that there are no nasties that could be confusing your brain signals. Rosemary is good for memory and focus. Lemon oil is good for concentration and blends well with rosemary. Rose is good for turning feelings of sadness into upliftment. And clary sage is good for improving your mood, especially over the time of your monthly cycle. Sandalwood is a harmonizer, so no matter what end of the spectrum your mood may be on, it will help bring you back to balance. I'm a certified dōTERRA essential oil specialist, and you can download my free guide on essential oils for skin glow to get more information on how to make the best of the skin you have. I love to help beginners get started with essential oils, so check out my other videos on using essential oils in your home. See you next time.